Okay, we need to remove 5 of these bolts, nuts. 14, 14, 14, and 12, and then 12. And we can take that off. And then we need to remove the wheels. Now we need to remove 14, 14, and 17's down here. 217. Well, 117 down here. That should drop the fork. Now I can take this bolt out. Just leave that hanging right there. Now we gotta remove the top. Break them all loose. Break them all loose. Okay, now this last one, I have to hold the shock down here so it doesn't drop down. Just like that. And we got our first coilover out. How easy was that? Okay, on the front strut. Just this one. Okay. Okay, they are about the same size. Yep. Yep, they're right about the same height. Okay. Yeah, they're about the same. Okay, I'm gonna go put this one over there. So I'm gonna use the new nuts. Okay. I'm gonna push it through. Like that, and then tighten one bolt. To hold it. Okay. And then put this bolt through. There's a space right here. We need to lift this up so that it holds onto it. So that should raise the knuckle up. Use this to tighten it up. 14. Okay. Now we can loosen this. See? Now it doesn't have a gap there. Now we can tighten everything up. Tighten by hand only. Don't over tighten it.